How to fix sensitive content warning on X or Twitter. Stick around till the end so you don't miss anything important. Let's get started. First, open your browser on your phone. You can use Safari if you're on iPhone or Google Chrome if you're on Android. Once your browser opens, go to the X website and make sure you're logged into your account. After you're on the home page, tap on your profile picture at the top left corner of the screen. This will open the side menu where you'll see all your account options. Now tap on Settings and Privacy. After that, tap on Privacy and Safety. This section contains different privacy settings related to your account and the type of content you can view. Next, tap on Content You See. Inside this menu, you'll find the setting we actually need. Look for the option called Display Media that may contain sensitive content and make sure this option is enabled. After enabling that, go back slightly and tap on Search Settings. Here you'll see another option called Hide Sensitive Content. If this option is turned on, disable it. The changes are saved automatically, so you don't need to press any save button. Once you finish these steps, close and reopen the X app on your phone. Now, when you open posts marked as sensitive, the warning should stop appearing as often, and you should be able to view the content normally. If this video helped you out, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tutorial videos like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.